2024 Mazda CX-50. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.